Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Archangel. This is a Martini variation using Aperol, gin and a couple of cucumber slices. So first we're just going to drop our cucumber into the bottom of a mixing glass, or in this case I just used a jug. And then we want 20 milliliters of Aperol straight into the jug too. Moving on to our gin now, and we want a full 60 mils, 2 ounces of gin, as this is a Martini variation, so it is going to be boozy. Then take your muddler and muddle in that cucumber, and the aim here is not to destroy the cucumber, but to just extract the sort of main juices from it so that it imparts those nice cucumber flavours in our cocktail. Then add our ice to our mixing glass. Take your bar spoon and give that a stir. Now, this could take anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute, really. Depends on your ice and the quality of it. Bigger ice tends to be better for less dilution, but getting it really nice and cold. However, a big ice means you will have to stir for longer. My ice is quite small, so I wasn't stirring for too long. But essentially, you just want to make sure that the drink is cold enough. Being a martini, it's only really drinkable if it's ice cold. Then take your strainer that is way too small for your mixing jug and double strain it. So strain over a fine strainer or tea strainer. This is really important just so you don't get those bits of cucumber in your drink, which you wouldn't really want. And there you have it, the Archangel.